Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today we will discuss about the Freundlich adsorption isotherm equation and Freundlich adsorption isothermal curves or graph. Now, first thing, what is the meaning of this isotherm? Meaning of the isotherm is what? A constant temperature. There is no change in the temperature. Temperature remain same. That condition is called as isotherm. So actually the Freundlich told that suppose we have gas above the surface of adsorbent. So if we increase the pressure of the gas, so there is increase in the rate of adsorption. So the rate of adsorption actually it is represented by X by M. X by M is rate of adsorption and here P is pressure. So according to Freundlich, as we increase the pressure of the gas, the rate of adsorption also increases. Now, what is meaning of X and M? Here X is the mass of adsorbate and M is the mass of adsorbent. So the ratio of these masses, it means what? Mass of adsorbate divided by mass of adsorbent. That is called as rate of adsorption. And it is proportional to what? It is proportional to pressure. When the Freundlich given this relation, actually he has taken three conditions. He has observed the change in rate of adsorption with three range of pressure. Now first, that is you can say low range or low range of pressure, that is you can say it is low range of pressure, and now next middle range of pressure and then high range of pressure. So it is low, middle and high. So at a low range of pressure or low pressure, he observed that X by M is directly proportional to P raised to power 1. It means as we increase the pressure, X by M increases. Okay. And at a high range of pressure, when he has increased too much pressure, so he has observed that X by M is proportional to P raised to power 0. It means what? The X by M become what? Constant. There is no further change in X by M at high pressure range. And in middle pressure range, he has observed that X by M is directly proportional to P raised to power 1 by N, where the value of the N is greater than 1. So actually when we remove this sign of proportion, so we get constant, that is K. So the relation that is given for the middle pressure range, that is X by M is equal to K into P raised to power 1 by N. That is called as Freundlich adsorption isothermal equation. So when you are asked this one, you have to write this one, X by M is equal to K, P raised to power 1 by N, that is what? Freundlich relation. And isotherm, why? Because during this process actually, when we are increasing the pressure, the temperature is constant. So you can say according to Freundlich, when we increase the pressure of the gas at constant temperature, above the surface of adsorbent, the rate of adsorption increases. And how it is increases? The relation is what? At middle pressure range, X by M is equal to K, P raised to power 1 by N. That is Freundlich relation. Now, suppose we have this equation first. When we take the log of this equation, so we have the next equation, that is what? You know, when we take the log, so it is equal to what? Log X by M is equal to log K plus 1 by N log P. That is equation second. So now when we plot curve between what? Log P and log X by M, so as it is a linear equation and you can compare with what? Linear equation y is equal to mx plus c. So there is a constant c. So when we plot curve, we get a straight line and it starts from the what? It is starting from not origin, above origin it is starting. So that is the constant value, that is what? Log K or C. Okay, and when we compare, so the M is slope here, so it is equal to what? 1 by N. So how can we get the slope? So slope is equal to what? Tan theta. So we have this triangle, suppose is theta, so tan theta is equal to B by A, that is B by A, so it is equal to M. So M is equal to what? 1 by N. So by this we can find out the value of N also. Okay, so that was Freundlich relation and Freundlich isothermal curve. This topic is finished. We will continue next topic in next video. Thank you.